Hello fellow plant lovers and welcome to my 10th vlog. This vlog is the second part of the Farm Lot Project vlog series that I am uploading. In this vlog, I will be showing you an update on what happened to our lot after our last vlog. Just a refresher on what the Farm Lot Project is, it is a series of vlogs about the lot that we bought recently that we plan to develop into a mini farm. I am documenting each step on how we do it or how we develop it. If you haven't watched the part 1, which is lot surveying and Chayote farm, link is on the description below. The purpose of this series is to show that we can develop a piece of land into a mini farm, and hopefully our subscribers will learn lessons from our experience. We also want you, our subscribers, to share their opinions in the comment section below and be part of our journey. As promised, here's the update on the lot. On part 1 of the series, we're already done with the lot surveying, and I also gave a brief history about the lot. Now, as you can see on the background, the lot is already cleared with chayote and the grass. We're also done building a concrete fence around the vicinity and a small bamboo house on top. Now let me tour you around the area. We decided to build a bamboo house so that there's a place where we can stay when we visit the mini farm. This is the lot before we cleared the area and build the fence on part 1 of the series. This is now the lot after we build the fence. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the quick tour of our lot. For the next part, we will be clearing the remaining grass and dirt so we can start planting. Hope you watch out for that. Thank you!